Hi guys, this is Nohman. Today we are going to see how we can fix this error. The error says there has been a critical error on this website. So let's get started. Let me try to log in this website. Yeah, hopefully we can access the website. The most case we unable to access the backend as well. If you can't access the backend, you need to go through the cPanel and file manager. So hopefully we can get the access. Let me log in. The first step I'm going to disable the plugins one by one and check what's the issue with. So let me go to the plugins. So I'll start with the theme core plugin. So these are the theme core plugins. This. So let me deactivate it. Give a refresh and check the website. Yeah, the site is now back to normal, but I can see that the design and everything gone. So just let me uninstall the plugin and try to reinstall. Since this is the core plugin which is required for the theme, so once I remove this plugin, it will automatically ask me to install the plugins. So give a refresh. Let me activate again. Successfully activated. Let me check the website. Yeah, it's back to normal. Thank you.